Hey Vibes fam, welcome back to my channel where good food and good vibes is a must. Of course, welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be making some brown stew chicken wings. I love me some wings, and here are my ingredients. And yes, my chicken wings, they have been washed. I'm going in with 2 tablespoons of all-purpose seasoning, some garlic powder, 1 tablespoon garlic powder, 1 tablespoon onion powder, some salt, and just for a little zig, 1 tablespoon jerk seasoning, and I added 2 tablespoons blended seasoning. I went in with the blended seasoning, and yes, it's going to make the chicken look, oh, and I added some browning. It's going to make the chicken look like, yeah, a lot is on it, but trust me, remember, we're going to cook it, we're going to pour water on the chicken and all these things, right? So trust me, it will all come together beautifully. I added some more browning because the chicken wasn't to my desired color, okay? So, yeah. That's it, and I'm gonna set it aside to marinate for some hours. And here is my chicken. Now let's pour some oil and add the chicken to the pot. Now, Vibes fam, I only added like a tablespoon of oil. It was a little bit. So what we're doing, we're searing the chicken, right? So even though I added the browning on it, so if you want, you can add more oil to your pot. I don't like, if you've been watching me for a while, you know I don't like a lot of oil, right? So you can add more, then it would look totally different in the pot. So do you, boo. So to the same container that I seasoned the chicken, I added some water, right? And you could see some of the seasoning leave back. Yes, just listen, get all that juice. And then now we're going to add it to the pot. So just for the purpose of the video, even though I don't like to add a lot of water to my pot all at once, but especially for those who haven't really made this before, I'm not going to be adding the water to cover up the chicken. So anyway, I left it for 10 minutes, cover it and left it for 10 minutes, and now I am back after 10 minutes giving it a stir, right? And then of course I'm going to add some more water because it is a safer way to cook your chicken when you are to cook anything, really, when you just tip the water a bit, right? So I'm just showing you how it's looking so far. So yeah, let's add some more water, right? And as I said, it is safer to just go a little bit at a time, or at least a cup at a time, right? And I didn't like the color of the chicken, so I added a little more browning. Now why I'm doing the browning method is because I've always done where I caramelize the sugar, right? So I'm just showing you guys another method to cook the chicken, right, instead of the to use the browning, sorry. So yeah, go ahead and I'm just putting a little bit of that on there. So here are the rest of my ingredients. By the way, I cover it for 20 minutes, right? And this is it after 20 minutes. Ooh, look at beautiful, the color is coming. So I added 5 cloves of chopped garlic, and I'm going in with, this was 1 very big potato, right? So I cut it up in some chunks, cubes, whatever you want to call it, right? And I'm just because it's the potato you need for it to cook, it take a bit more time to cook. I'm putting it down in the water a bit while I added some, what you call that, red and yellow and green sweet pepper, and some scallion, and of course some carrots. Yes, and we're going to just incorporate everything together. Oh, can I leave out my onion? I added some onion, 1 chopped onion. So 1 nice, about medium size, medium or large. Listen, all these things add flavor to your pot. to your dish, so you can't add too much. And here I'm adding a little bit more water, right? So then I'm just going to try to get it all down in the pot. And then I added some ketchup, so about 2 tablespoons of ketchup, right? But I squeeze it directly into the pot. And we're going to just give that a little shake, a little shake, a little stir, right? And then I'm gonna add some other flavorful stuff, some pimento powder, even though pimento already in there, but you know, I like to taste a little bit as I go along. I added 1.5 tablespoons of brown sugar. Yes, Vybz fam. And just stir that. And I'm going to cover that for 15 minutes. 15 minutes. Oh, I taste it and it needed some more salt. So yes, Vybz fam, trust me, always taste as you go along. I can't stop emphasize that in my videos. Taste as you go along. When you're cooking, taste to make sure your food tastes good before you actually finish cook the food, right? So yeah, taste and then cover for 15 minutes, and that is gonna be us. Of course, may I top it off with a little Scotch bonnet pepper. So yeah, Vybz fam, cover it for 15 minutes. So I took out the pepper to add some black pepper and then stir that up. And then that is gonna be it. Just beautiful. So Vybz fam, I say the bubblation where take place, look pan bubble. I just beer bubbling and go on bubble up. Yes, bubble up stew chicken wings, bubble up. You bubble to the left and you bubble to the right. And then we're gonna turn off our fire. But Vybz fam, here we have it. Here we have it. Everybody run out. Una run out in our best looking clothes right now because una have to come take in this. Una have to visualize this. Yes, 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 yes. Come take in this brown stew, chicken wing. I'm telling you, all kind of deliciousness. Yes, you need this one. Who you must send it to? Comment down below and tell me who do you send this recipe to. If you normally watch my videos, you would know. Auntie Pringles, send it to Auntie Pringles so she can make it for you. And comment down below and tell me what would you have this with. But thank you so much for watching, Vybz fam, and for hanging out with me. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And go on over on Instagram and follow me. Thank you. God bless you.